Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? For those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Candace. Thank you so much for tuning in, just a quick intro on who I am. I am a makeup lover, sub box unboxer, tarot reader, and spiritual person. And today we're going to be unboxing the Kinder Beauty box. I've never gotten this box before. I haven't looked inside of it. I got my first box for $10. They were running some kind of promotion. And I don't know if that's still going on. I will link them down below if you want to check them out. But otherwise, let's get right into it, okay? It is, I think, usually $24 or $25. Again, it'll be linked down below if you want to check it out. There's not that many unboxings of this on YouTube, so I'm pretty excited to get this video out to you guys. This is the month of November of 2022. I'm not sure what the heck's going to be in here. This is the $10 box. Maybe they ship leftovers. Who knows? But let's find out. I have not even peeked, so let's peek together. Okay, so it comes packaged up like that. Oh wow, everything's packaged up pretty nice. It looks like I did get stuff from this month. I'm pretty sure people were getting this. So let's go ahead and start with that. We got this retinol serum, high potency, can't read today, high potency 2.5% retinol niacinamide hyaluronic complex. That sounds really freaking nice. That sounds really nice. It says treat your skin to a retinol boost. Take your skin rejuvenating regimen to the next level with this supercharged serum. Nice. Okay, so this is worth $27.99. All right. Okay, well, I'm not going to open this just because I already have a retinol serum that I'm working through. Here's what it looks like. It's a little bottle. Little bottle. Next, we got some soap. Oh, it smells so good, though. It's so tiny, though. I wish it was bigger. I wish it was bigger, but it smells so good. Here's what it looks like. And, oh, wait, there's another one. Supposedly. Oh, I guess we get one. Okay, and this is worth $1.50. Okay, I mean, at least for the price. That's not bad. Not bad. Okay, it smells really freaking good, guys. It's like crack. So yeah, soap, but shoot, I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining. Next, yeah, it looks like this is from this month because I watched a couple other people unbox this, and this is definitely what they got. So I'm excited about that. I was worried, like sometimes when you like subscribe for BoxyCharm towards the end of the month, they be giving you just whatever. They're just like, finally, we can get rid of these products. All right. Next, we got the Dirty Lamb Sugar Cookie Lip Rocks. And this is worth $24. It comes sealed with plastic, which is nice. Let's smell it, because everybody was saying it smelled really good. Yeah, you can really smell like vanilla. It really does smell like a sugar cookie. I'm really excited to use this. Real gritty. Hear that? ASMR. All right, next. Ooh! I was hoping I'd get this. I love stuff like this. I really, really do. This is the Cuccio Somatology Pause Meditation Mist. This is worth $32. It says it has peppermint and sage. And you can spray it anywhere. So let's see. Wow, you can really smell the peppermint. And fun fact, peppermint's good to get rid of spiders. To keep spiders away. So love that. And last but not least, we have a makeup item. Finally, it's super excited to have something makeup. I'm like butchering this box. I'm like the kind, do you guys keep your boxes of your cosmetic products? I do not. I throw it away the first opportunity I get. All right, so here's the shade. It comes with a mirror and everything. Wow, that actually looks really pretty. I don't know, this looks like it'd be a nice blush topper because it's so pinky. You can't even see it. Try and build it up. You can't even see it. It's more like a shimmer than like highlighters I'm used to. See, you can see it right there. It's definitely reflective, but it's very like tame. I would honestly use this as a blush topper, like some blush and then this on top of it. On the finger, it looks so good. Like, look at that. All right, and that is worth $28. Ooh, it has ingredients like white tea, safflower oil, and camellia flower. Okay, I don't know what that does, but I'm not complaining. All right, let me go ahead and add all this up and see what the total retail value of the box is. So in total, this box is worth $113.49. And I gotta say, I know a lot of people would look at this box and be like, but this is my jam. Like, I'm really excited to get another retinol serum because I only have one. So once I finish that one, I'm going to use this one. And then I love stuff like this, like aromatherapy, essential oils. Being a spiritual person, this is my jam. And then this as well. Does it say what it is? Oh, I didn't even say it's crafted with coconut oil, shea butter, and 57 trace minerals. And then, Mountain Rain. So whatever that scent is, it smells good though. Oh yeah. Ooh. And then we got a makeup item. What is this? Jasmine Beauty. Really pretty this is. And then this lip scrub. I actually do not have any lip scrubs. I used to make lip scrubs and then I stopped. I still make sugar scrubs, so essentially it is a lip scrub, but I put like lavender and lemon in there and I don't want to put that on my lips. But anyways, really overall happy with this box. What did you guys think? Are you guys subscribed to this box? Why is there like nobody unboxing this on YouTube? Is it because there's like no makeup? I guarantee that's probably why. But then again, look at FabFitFun. They don't got that much makeup. I mean, they do, but they don't, you know? So anyways, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want more unboxings from this box, if you guys want BoxyCharm unboxings to come back. I'm really excited to be back. I did gift this channel to my husband for a minute. If you didn't notice, he went to football for a second. He got to flex to his friends that he had 800 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? So I was happy to do that for him since I was taking a break from YouTube. But I'm really excited to be back. I'm going to be jumping in here with both feet. As long as my mental health allows me. You know how it is if you have depression. It's so hard to be motivated to do anything. But I'm trying to think if there's anything else I had to tell you guys. Yeah, so be sure to check out my website. I do have beauty Lucky Scoops on my website right now. If you're into the Lucky Scoops on TikTok, here's what they look like. Here's kind of a preview of what you could possibly get in there. I'm also doing makeup advent calendars, 12 days and 25 days, and it's getting closer and closer to the holidays. So now's the time to purchase. And I also still have lip gloss supplies that I'm still trying to liquidate. So if you're interested in that as well, and want to make your own lip gloss, or you already make your own lip gloss, I have the supplies for you. So be sure to check out my website. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video if you can. It means a lot to me. And have a wonderful day wherever you are. Bye.